कल मैं 100 तक करा चुकी थी. Which district has officially become India's first child marriage free district under the Child Marriage Free India campaign? कौन सा है? बलोर छत्तीसगढ़ है. Where was the 4th World Food India 2025 organized? New Delhi. Which country did India defeat by 5 wickets at Dubai International Stadium to win its 9th Asia Cup title? Pakistan. Which site has been declared as India's 13th biosphere reserve? कौन सा? गोल्ड डेजर्ट. कहाँ पे? उत्तराखंड में है. In which national park has the Gaja Rasak Open has launched for monitoring elephant? Bandhavgarh National Park. Who has been elected as 37th President of Board of Control for Cricket in India? BCCI. Mithun Manhas. Which Indian woman won her first gold medal in compound open category at the World Archery Para Champions in Guangzhou, South Korea? Sital Devi. What is India's rank among 176th country in the Index of Economic Freedom 2025 released by Heritage Foundation? 128th. The book Why the Constitution Matters, written by which former Chief Justice, has been released? D.Y. Chandrachud. Who launched India's first fleet of electric heavy-duty truck at the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority? Sabandh Sonowala. Who has honored the Changemaker of the Year Award 2025 for contribution to indigenous strategic technology? HAL. Hindustan Automatic Limited. Who became the first Indian male cricket to play in Australia's Big Bash League? Ravichandran Ashwin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 4G service of which telecom company from Jasurgunda in Orissa on the completion of 25th year? BSNL. Which sites in Bihar have been guaranteed the status of Ramsar sites wetland of international importance? गोकुल रिजर्वायर एंड उदयपुर रिजर्वायर. गोकुल रिजर्वायर कहाँ पे? बक्सर में है. ये है वेस्ट चंपारण में. Who did India's football team defeat Colombo to win 70th SAF Under-17 campaign title? Sri Bangladesh. According to the Forest and Environment Accounting 2025 report released by MOSPI, what percentage of country's total land area is now covered by India's forest area? 21.76. In which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi launch Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana, under which women were given rupees 10,000 for self-employment? Bihar. Which country participated in the United Nations General Assembly meeting for the first time in 60 years? Syria. The first fully paperless e-office Gram Panchayat of which state? Rohini has honored the gold medal at National E-Governance Award 2025. Maharashtra. For the upgradation of urban infrastructure, in which state have signed loan agreement $125 million? Assam. क्या चीज़ के लिए? एशियन डेवलपमेंट से साइन हुआ है. साइन फॉर अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. Which Malayalam film actor was honored with 75th Dada Saheb Phalke Award by President Draupadi Murmu? Mohanlal. Which missile did India's test for first time for a mobile launcher system on a trail of Chandipur, Odisha? Agni Prime missile. IIT has been designated by the Government of India as United Nations Center of Excellence for Artificial Intelligence. कौन सा? IIT मद्रास है. With which leading quick commerce platform has Union Ministry of Labour and Employment partnered to enhance the employability of youth? Zepto. Who launched India's first hydrogen highway during the World's Hydrogen India 2025 held in New Delhi? Amit Shah. Which film by Neeraj Gayavan has been selected as India's official entry in the Best International Feature Film category at the Oscar 2026? Homebound. Which great singer, actor, composer and lyricist from Assam passed away in scuba diving accident in Singapore on September 19th? Jubin Garg. Who broke Virat Kohli record for the fastest ODI century by an Indian? Smriti Mandhana. In which African country has Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated first Indian defence manufacturing plant, Tata Advanced System? Morocco. Which country has recently recognized Palestinian as independent state? UK, Canada, and Australia, who has been honored with the prestigious Living Breeze Award for successfully conducting India-UK Free Trade Agreement. केयर स्टैमर कौन ऑनर्ड किया गया है इसे? Whom has BCCI made New Jersey sponsor of Indian cricket team Apollo Tyres? Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Pratyogita Yojana to provide financial assistance to youth doing internship? Bihar. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone for the country's first PM Mitra Park? Country's first PM Mitra Park कहाँ पे हुआ? बैंसोले विलेज, मध्य प्रदेश. Which Indian Navy participated in the first India-Greece bilateral maritime exercise? India-Greece bilateral maritime INS Trikant. Recently, which public sector bank of country has launched the Platinum Jubilee Asa Scholarship 2025 scheme for meritorious children from economically backward background? State Bank of India. Which country has been elected as a member of Interpol Asian Committee during 25th Interpol Asian Regional Conference held in Singapore, India? Which state has launched the Ambu Karangal scheme for orphanaged children? Tamil Nadu. What is India's rank among 139 economic in the Global Innovation Index 2025 released by World International Property Organization WIPO? 38. Who has become the first female international fight master from Bihar? Mariam Fatima. Recently, which country has been elected unopposed to Asia Pacific Group seats on United Nations Human Rights Council for a 3-year term from 26 to 28? India. Where was 4th World Food India 2025 organized? New Delhi. In which state Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently dedicated the country's first bamboo-based biorefinery project to the nation? Assam. Where was the Kadal Kodatam 2025, one of the country's most exciting sea sports festival organized? Kochi, Kerala. Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. By what name has Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a portal with objective of digitizing and preserving India's ancient manuscript? क्या है? ज्ञान भारतम. By what name did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh recently launch world first tri-service women sailing expedition from Gateway of India in Mumbai? Samudra Pradakshina. What was the theme of 10th Ayurveda Day organized and hosted in Goa, September 23? Ayurveda for people and planet. The GST Council has reduced India's exciting fourth tax slab 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. How many tax slab? 2 slab. 5 or 18. In the multilateral joint military exercise Japan 2025, organized by which of the foreign countries did India Air Armed Force participate? Russia. In which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone for first phase of Makhana Board and Kosi Mechi interstate river linking Bihar? Which airport located in Simanchal region of Bihar did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate? Purnia. 14th bilateral exercise Maitri has been India and Thailand has held recently. Urmoi, Meghalaya. Where was 21st military exercise Yudh Abhyas 2025? India and United States of America held. Fort Wainwright, Alaska. Recently, RBI has issued a commemorative coin of 100 to mark the birth centenary of which great Assami singer? Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Where was the first successful artificial breeding Asian Gyan tortoise recently conducted? Manipur Zoological Garden, which recently inaugurated a railway line by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, connected Mizoram's capital Aizawl to Indian railway network for the first time. Barbi Sairang railway line. Where did Union Minister Piyush Goyal inaugurate first regional office of APEDA Patna? Where did Navy Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi inaugurated India's first indigenous naval base INS Aravali, Gurgaon? Who was recently sworn as the first female Prime Minister of Nepal? Susila Karki. Where has IIM Ahmedabad recently started its first global campus? Dubai. The central government has signed $126.4 million loans agreement with ADB to promote tourism in which state? Uttarakhand. What is the name of India's fastest train that runs on Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System, Namo Bharat? Where was historic summit meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mauritius Prime Minister Dr. Naveen Chandram Rangulam held recently? Varanasi. Where was Purple Fest 2025 for a person with disabilities organized Amity University, Noida? Who among the following was honored with P.S. Narasimhan Rao Award for economic contribution to India? Manmohan Singh. Where did Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar recently inaugurate CPRI new regional testing laboratory? Nasik. The construction of which 4-lane greenfield highway has been approved as part of Buxar Bhagalpur high speed corridor? Mokama Munger. Where did Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan recently inaugurated first overseas Atal Innovation Center? Dubai. Abu Dhabi, UAE. By what name has Ministry of Travel Affairs launched digital platform for preservation of travel, art and culture? Adi Sanskriti. Which country did India's defeat to win bronze medal in the recent CAFA Nations CF Cup World Cup 2025, Oman? As a result of which of the following moment did Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli and President Ramchandran Paudel resign? Genji moment. With which IIT has Sports Authority of India signed agreement for sports science and technology recently? IIT Delhi. Which city secured the first rank in Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan Award 2025? Indore. Who has recently been elected as 15th Vice President of India? B. Sudarshan Reddy. 15th Vice President of कौन से पार्टी का? एनडीए पार्टी का है. Become the youngest player to defeat a reigning world champion at Fight Grand Swiss 2025 after defeating D. Gukesh. Abhimanyu Mishra. Where was the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya recently inaugurated? Where was the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya recently inaugurated? Bulandshahr, UP. On International Literacy Day, September 8, which state declared fully literate state after Kerala, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Tripura, Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh? Whom did India defeat in Rajgir to win Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 title for the fourth time? South Korea. Whom did Spain Carlos Alcaraz defeat to win US Open 2025? Jannik Sinner. Which country did India defeat to win its first gold medal in the men's compound team event at the World Archery Championship, France? Who has become the first India to win Ojati Award Best Director at the 82nd Venice Film Festival for Sons and Forgotten Tree? Anuparna Roy. What is the name of world's first mRNA cancer vaccine launched by Russian scientist Internomic? At which port Tamil Nadu was India's first port-based green hydrogen pilot project recently inaugurated? P.O. Chidambaram Port. Which operation was launched by Army to rescue people in the flood-affected area of Punjab, Himachal, Uttarakhand? Operation Rahat. At which place the Andhra Pradesh government announced the establishment of Space City for launching private satellite Tirupati? Where did India launch its first indigenous drug testing system, methionine long-term metabolite, in sports for the first time? New Delhi. Where was the fourth Semiconductor 2025 organized? Isobhumi, New Delhi. The Prime Minister of which country, Lawrence Wong, recently visited India, marked the completion of 60 years of diplomatic relations? Singapore. In the which state Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently launched Jivika Nidhi Sahakarika Sangh Limited to provide affordable credit facility to rural women? Jharkhand. To which country has Badminton World Federation awarded the hosting right of Badminton World Champion 2026? India. Who among the following has taken charge 29th Controller General of Account of India? T.C.A. Kalyani. According to National Women Commission of Oman Nari 2025 report, which is the safest city for India. Oman in India, Kohima, Meghalaya. By what name did Prime Minister Narendra Modi launch the first Made in India chip at inauguration Semiconductor 2025? Vikram. What is the name of India's first AI-powered translator for travel language launched by Prime Minister of Travel Affairs? Adivani. What percentage of FDI has Ministry of Finance recently permitted to in the insurance sector? 100%. With which of the following has ICICI partnered to promote women's cricket? Google. At which of the following location was India's first mobile tempered glass factory inaugurated? Noida. On which national highway has India's first multi-lane free flow toll system been launched? NH48 दिल्ली से नहीं है. Where has India's first vulture knowledge spot has been launched to promote conservation of endangered vulture? Assam. Where was the Royal Bhutan Buddhist temple recently inaugurated? Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the UPU integration project launched at the 20th Universal Postage Congress? कहाँ पे हुआ है? जनीवा में.